Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Looking at a Flue dilution fan system. We have one here on the left on this boiler and one here on the right on the other boiler. We also have one on the gas-fired water heater. Please ensure that you're gas safe registered when carrying out work on gas appliances with gas safe. Also, do your homework and don't take anything I say as advice. Do your own due diligence. Flue fans are there for several reasons. First of all, because clients want to disperse flue gases at low levels above 2 meters, but not necessarily at the top of the building. So in order to do that, they have to install this system, and that complies with current regulations that CO2 emissions must be discharged at these low levels but be below 1%. So the mixture takes place where it is basically a dilution of the exhaust airs. So you have the air intake, draws the air in, and then you have at the back of the boiler the flue's exhaust, and they mix and then they discharge or disperse at a low level. So that is below 1% of the threshold. It's also done to not affect the building's aesthetics, the look of the building. So if you have a flue running up the side of this building, it may not look that attractive. But if you disperse of the gases at a low level, it doesn't look as bad, and it also doesn't cost as much money. Okay? I hope that's helped you understand how flue dilution fans operate and why they are there. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.